Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get horsetail and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. To create the horsetail, we need to craft for the seed. You can go to this location and go to this cosmetics or crafting, and I'm going to click on this menu and click on select receipt. Okay, and wait guys, I'm going to click on select receipt here. Okay, and these are the items that we need to create the horsetail. And we need the stone bite seed, bamboo, corn, and also shackles. And I'm going to click on this and click on craft. Okay, I'm going to submit my stone bite. Wait, this one. Okay, I'm going to click on submit item. Okay, and the next one we need to submit bamboo. Okay, here I'm going to choose my bamboo. Wait, where is it? Okay, this one, and click on submit item. And the last one is corn. I'm going to click on corn and click on submit item. Okay, and click on start. And as you can see that we need shackles as well. Click on that. Okay, and now the crafting process is still running, and we need to wait for about 15 minutes to get the horsetail seed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get the horsetail seed and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.